Hello, and welcome to the Pharmacy Times News Network. I'm Brian Haug, president of Pharmacy Times, and your host for our Pharmacy Week in Review. October is American Pharmacists Month, and Pharmacy Times is recognizing, thanking, and celebrating pharmacists nationwide through social media. By using the hashtag #ThankAPharmacist, Pharmacy Times followers will have the opportunity to generate awareness and goodwill for their favorite pharmacists. Participants are also encouraged to share an experience or photo that brings the value of the pharmacist to light. Pharmacy Times will also feature a Fact of the Day social media post to highlight all that pharmacists can do on a daily basis to keep their customers and community healthy. To learn more about the Thank a Pharmacist campaign, follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. The FDA has approved 2 ultra-long-acting insulin treatments from Novo Nordisk this week. Both Tresiba and Ryzodeg are indicated to improve glucose control in adults with type 1 and type 2 diabetes. The FDA originally refused to approve both diabetes drugs 2 years ago, citing concerns about their adverse cardiovascular effects. But in April, the FDA began reviewing resubmitted regulatory applications for the treatments, which ultimately led to their current approval. Independent pharmacies will want to consider updating their credit card processing terminals to accept EMV chip cards this fall. Starting October 1st, the liability for credit card fraud will shift to stores that are not EMV compliant. This means that pharmacies lacking updated processing systems to accept chip cards could be liable for the chargeback resulting from fraud. While an EMV compliant terminal can cost up to $1,000, independent pharmacy owners will benefit from both avoiding the liability shift and attracting customers who are more willing to shop where their credit card purchases are secure. CVS Health pharmacists can now provide naloxone to patients without a prescription in a dozen more states. Although patients could already obtain the opioid overdose antidote without a prescription in Rhode Island and Massachusetts, CVS is expanding this access in 12 more states, including California, New Jersey, and Pennsylvania. Spokesperson Mike DeAngela said the pharmacy chain is hoping to enter into similar agreements in other states, but did not mention specific states that CVS is pursuing. For more great coverage and practical information for today's pharmacist, visit our website and sign up for our daily e-news. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thanks for watching our Pharmacy Week in Review. I'm Brian Haug at the Pharmacy Times News Network.